Hello everyone! Is your car showing random sensor failures, check engine light, or even poor throttle response? If your obd2 scanner has detected P0641, it means there's an issue with the 5-volt reference circuit 1. This can cause multiple sensor failures and lead to serious performance issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0641 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the affected components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0641? The P0641 code stands for Sensor Reference Voltage A Circuit Open. Your vehicle's ECU provides a 5-volt reference signal to critical sensors like throttle position sensor, TPS, manifold absolute pressure sensor, MAP, crankshaft position sensor, CKP, camshaft position sensor, CMP. If this reference voltage is missing or fluctuates, these sensors won't work properly, leading to engine performance problems. Common symptoms of P0641: check engine light on, multiple sensor-related error codes, poor acceleration or throttle lag, hard starting or stalling, unstable RPMs or rough idling, transmission shifting issues. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components responsible for the P0641 error. To diagnose P0641, you need to check these critical parts: Powertrain Control Module, PCM ECU. Location, usually mounted on the firewall near the battery or under the dashboard. Function, supplies the 5-volt reference to multiple sensors. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location, attached to the throttle body near the intake manifold. Function, measures throttle opening and sends data to the ECU. Manifold absolute pressure sensor, MAP. Location, on the intake manifold or near the throttle body. Function, monitors air pressure and sends data to optimize fuel delivery. Crankshaft position sensor, CKP. Location, near the crankshaft pulley or at the back of the engine block. Function, tracks engine rotation for ignition timing. Camshaft position sensor, CMP. Location, near the cylinder head, usually close to the timing belt or camshaft gear. Function, coordinates ignition timing and fuel injection. 5V reference wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the ECU and sensors, usually bundled with the engine wiring harness. Function, supplies a stable 5-volt signal to multiple sensors. Common causes of P0641 faulty PCM ECU. If the ECU fails, it may stop supplying 5 volts to the sensors. Shorted or broken wiring. A damaged wire in the 5V circuit can disrupt power to sensors. Corroded or loose connectors. Poor connections can cause voltage drops. A shorted sensor. If one sensor like TPS or MAP malfunctions, it can drag down the entire 5V circuit. Grounding issues. A bad engine ground can affect reference voltage stability. How to fix P0641? Step 1. Check for other sensor codes. If multiple sensors are failing, P0641 is likely a wiring or ECU issue. Step 2. Inspect the wiring harness. Look for broken, melted or frayed wires along the 5V circuit. Step 3. Test the 5-volt reference signal. Use a multimeter to check voltage at different sensor connectors. Step 4. Unplug sensors one by one. If unplugging one sensor restores the 5V signal, that sensor is faulty. Step 5. Check PCM ECU power supply. Ensure the ECU is receiving proper voltage and grounding. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. After fixing the issue, clear the code using an obd2 scanner and check if it returns. Ignoring P0641 can cause multiple sensor failures, leading to poor engine performance and even sudden breakdowns. Fixing it restores proper voltage to critical sensors, ensuring smooth engine operation. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0536, AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit low. P0537, AC evaporator temperature sensor circuit high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.